Kisngi hadin makiladap banikandu ya ke Deputy Commissioner juga East Khasil District halor ke Jingsuki ban pentrai ya ke Surok Folin na Shillong Shadaugi kesenjuk kinong sensar shnong apa Shillong menta kesngi lalej banjurip ya ke Jingtrai ya ke nek project da ke basdang nadu jingking Sherpi la don lang ha ke nek jinglai jurip nadu ki bor penyaj jongka NHIDCL ki officer na gitanat beper na ke melim blok ki he apulit baru kinong ilam na kesenjuk. Habakran berkilat pathai kubor, nong aibut jo kesenjuk nong sensar senong apa Shillong ubak Daniel thank you ula pentip bahag jing jurip kilapan pau bagi he jong NHIDCL ya kejing suki kejing tray baru ya kibabun kiman kibalak ta pat ya kalait kawan jong kipaj bah layo ru kejing keren na video kamelim ubak toshan bah marweng balabatai ya kejing lap na kate kejing jurip na kaleng kesenjuk kalapan pau ba kilong ke balak loy ban ai ke jingi trailang bat ke company ba pentrai na ke benta ke jing yaj bek yaj renti bat ke jing yaj state ke kam knang ba kipat ba kinamat shu ya ke jing sakut blok da ki kenta
As Senjuk Kirang Bachnong of Shillong, yesterday we had met the Deputy Commissioner of the East Khasil District along with the Senjuk, the traffic police and especially the team which leads this work, the NHIDCL. After a thorough deliberation at the office of the Deputy Commissioner, we had gone today at 9 o'clock in the morning for the inspection of this ongoing project of the NHIDCL. And we express our dissatisfaction with the kind of work that you're doing. It's a very slow pace, but after we could inspect today, we could also hear the difficulties faced by the NHIDCL, by which the Senjuk has offered whatever help we can from the people of this area. The main concern of our visit today is the Sherpi area, which is the work is going on at a very slow pace. So we have inspected today along with the BDO, the line department, the traffic police, and we have requested and urged the NHIDCL to fasten up the work at Sherpi area all the way till 3rd mile and repair the potholes and whatever work that is left unattended in the last few months. This has become a major issue not only for the people of Upper Shillong, but for people who are coming from West Khasil, from Sora, from Peninsula and elsewhere. Even people coming from Garo Hills are using the same road, and it has caused great inconvenience to the public at large because of the traffic jam, which we the people from Upper Shillong we face in our daily activities while going to work. And what touches us the most is that people who ferry the patients with their own private vehicles, there is not even a gap to pass, because when you come with the ambulance, the siren is there. People have always respected the ambulance, but when people who are taking the patients in private vehicles, or people who have to go to hospitals and many other emergencies, they are stuck in a jam for 2-3 hours. So the Senjuk felt it necessary that we have to take up this issue in the right manner and in the right pace, and today it was satisfactory after we visit, and we have got the commitment from the NHIDCL that we will try to speed up this area from 3rd mile up to Sherpi. They have given us a time of 2 weeks that they would complete whatever work that is pending here, and we welcome the night closure as well. As a Senjuk, we have given them the assurance that we will support, and we assure them that even if required volunteer at night, we will also provide, because they have expressed that the night closure at 10 o'clock, some people are not cooperating and they force the roads closure to be opened forcefully. Some have expressed that their materials have been stolen at large. So we have the police department here who is going to conduct an inquiry, and we express our gratitude again to all the members of the Senjuk for taking up this matter at the right NS, and we thank all of you, the media, for covering this program.
You want tasngi, you don't regard lang, but ki sunjuk ki rang ba shnong bat lu mi don lang ki officials ki bawan lang na ka PHE ki NHIDCL na liang ka office yung block development officer Meliam iwan ban jurip ya kini ka surok ba pentrai menta limba ke NHIDCL te kiladon katuk ani ki jimujor na kaliang kasnong bat ki jinge ba ki syam maki halor kani ka jing pentrai jong kani ka surok te mana ngila nyasdang khnai beje kani ka jing jurip ngila ya poishwa hamte ha ka tika bridge sherpi hadin tapat ngila ya wan sa lumoba ngi poipat sa 101 area hadin 101 area pat ngi wan hadu kani ka point mentah te ngila lap kibun katto kani ki issues ba nakaliang NHIDCL ba ki officials kila kular ba ki kin pendap kamtam ban resolve ki issues ba ki kisham ki paj ba kawi kalong ba kala khamnya kamtam ru bangi pej ba ki traffic kala pentut ya kajing ya iki kali badru kala wanra ya kajing iki paj ba ki bunsin ba kisham jing lara kile shelong lan kile kinu kijing tre jong ki kisham simpor ba bani tang na kadaw ba khamnya ka surok badru ba kebun palat ka traffic yang mataski ngilai wan ngila don rekan lang begisnong tengah aingu iborok ki ngongkit kam jang kesnong ki bala don rekan lang bangi te mengi ngila kerpat yu NHIDCL badu ngila request ba udi ban pen kloy ban pentrai kam ya kene ka surok kenang ba kan wanra ya ka jing mentoy ki paj ba ko ki don kalian ke NHIDCL su ki bun ki issues ba makiru ki syam ki bun ki challenges ki problems pengiru na liang jingi ngi kloy ban menyerap yaki banai kanu ko cooperation la ni ka jing tri kamlang berki baki don kap te beli sibun kata ni nagaliang ka block office te batang ais nagaliang ka snong ha